Tabukai angse BJP ni dalal pu CPM ni dalal pu baksa comment khai tongkha Ishor map khaitun borok saimiana an family bahai tamo an baba agin simno TUJS khai phaijak bokri kho sungsaro tefon ang saimono ang bin ideology sobsam follow khanai regional party khai phai bo biang ja posting khaika akok tak sana thakai logoi thanai CPM ni phuruno onek kosto rijaka bo musungkhai logino CPM rogo habai kaham krengkai bobo kaham posting nar mangkhamu sorry susto kai tongma khamu a topic ante chalia main topic khai transparency tuna nangai recruitment no hinkai ang kun party ne against samaya ang buagran hamjau sobse buagran support khainai tin buagra live of hai joto kisu clear khaika norok onek jon nukbai khana buagran support khainan bango sing youth 95% moto saimano o election pro nukkhana jeng youth rok unemployed tongbai onek ang saimano chakri jotono rinani it's not possible to give job to everyone tephono je job je kisa misa no rimanai 100 200 jona phano arole at least transparency toni dei ate akhe borok no tai burkhe bishas khaimanai ba abon teise ang sajago election puru simino thansa election puru je puru kok ham sawo recruitment nungthun yang manthai sukta rina puru bo akoknon mutunar baide jotono buwagrani mokhang naino jotono support khaiga candidate dongo for example kaisi udaharan che ano phano kai ja constituency bo ano buwagra support khai basa rekai ang bo final chance tongo nung ta torjak di je ang kaisa tang leader thaka muting thaka ang yang dairi mano yang jati gustuno khairi nai abo sa eklayo abo unfair ang to chakri chain ang nangya ang business bai si chatok chaitok tong ang semno chakri joto boro manmeya ang business bai chatok tongo ang kuno selfish motive kari je ang motam kamu je voice raise khai kani nin khorang raise ma khaina ning comment section simi comment khai kolo khai nung buino kaham hamya sayengla nung nin khorang ti sadi ang youth gen zirong sanmu sungu nepal lo bahai borok ta kaham khai tong gen ni government naine di noro ta YouTube Google khai ne di thanai puruno 3-4 dinage tam kamu bong home minister Sudan Gurung onek young home minister kisa allegation phaima baise financial tamjani businessman by related bini kaisa relationship tonguta abono tuise bo resign khari kahi ang resign khaika tagnor inquiry khaimano hine he said the public need trust is greater than everything public need trust ekbar bai khamane no nukhnabla CPM bo kri kha takun seat kri kha edisibo trust kri kha bong oro borok buba ground trust khaise norno sing chong rohoro so nong bo responsibility tongo transparency maintain khainani asungno ang saya sama tongkai totono nakarjadi tahubu song and